This outside area, well, you're probably going to have to talk. I don't think I'll talk loud enough. This is the sclera.
Sclera?
Uh-huh. And from this view, underneath the sclera, you're going to see the ciliary body. Underneath that is the iris, and the dark area in the corner is the pupil. This outside area here is the cornea, and underneath the cornea you'll find your aqueous humor. And if you switch views to this side, you're going to have sclera here. Underneath would be your choroid, your retina, which is also this area here. This shiny is considered your vitreous humor. Your lens, connected by your suspensory ligaments to your ciliary body. And then, of course, your optic nerve in the back. And I'm looking for the fovea centralis, would be here. You can also see your extrinsic muscle. I see a lacrimal gland on this one. So I think that's it.
Alrighty.